In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google Business Profile ID in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're managing your business's online presence or just keen on understanding the intricacies of Google's business profiles, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Google Business Profile website. To do this, simply sign in using your Google account. This is a crucial step because your Google Business Profile is tied directly to your Google account, making it essential for managing your business's online information as it appears in search results and maps. Once you're logged in, navigate to your business profile. If you manage multiple businesses, you'll see a list here. Select the business whose ID you wish to check. This is the hub from where you can control what information customers see when they search for your business online. Now, for the next step, you'll need to click on the 3 dots. This might seem like a simple action, but it's your gateway to a range of settings and options for your business profile, offering deeper customization and control over your online presence. After clicking on those 3 dots, you'll want to select Business Profile Settings. Here lies the control panel for adjusting settings specific to your profile. It's designed to provide you with the flexibility to manage and update your business information effectively. Now click on Advanced Settings. This area might seem a bit technical, but it's pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. It's here that you can access more in-depth settings that aren't typically needed on a daily basis, but are crucial for specific adjustments to your profile. Finally, click on the first set of numbers you see. This is your business profile ID. It might not look like much, but this unique identifier is what links all your business's information across Google services. Having this ID can be handy, especially if you ever need Google's support for managing your profile. And that's it. You've successfully found your Google Business Profile ID. This ID is a critical piece of information for managing your presence on Google, and now that you know where to find it, you're better equipped to manage your business online. Remember, keeping your business information up to date on Google is vital for helping customers find you, and for providing them with current information about your services, hours, and more. So, now that you know how to access your business profile ID, you're one step closer to mastering the management of your online presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing your business online.